Hey, what's going on, guys? I wanted to share something with you. I remember seeing this in my doctoral program when I was getting my PhD in finance, that when the stock market goes up in January, we tend to have a strong year about 86% of the time. In fact, when there's a bear market, the market tends to rise about 25 to 30% over the following year. Now, there's no guarantees at all, but one of the best ways to take advantage of this market surge that many experts are expecting is stock options. I'm telling you guys, look, you don't want to miss out on the stock market now. If you're afraid to invest, I encourage you to get started. If you don't know about options, I'd love to show you how. Either way, though, I encourage you to pay attention to this stock market because the writing is on the wall. The market is expected to go up this year in 2023. Again, nothing's guaranteed for sure. Anything can happen, but based on research, and that's what I do. I was on the faculty of Syracuse University for 13 years. All we did was research the stock market. I'm telling you right now, you do not want to miss the market comeback because you're going to be kind of sad if all this money gets made and you're not a part of it. So anyway, I have a free training on how to make money without working. Feel free to go take a look at boycewatkins.com. That's all I got to share with you guys. I just got back from the gym, but I had to tell you guys this real quick. Have a good day. I'll see you soon. Peace.